All right. Mhm. All right. So we are starting it today. Let me reduce the audio. Beautiful JP 225 trade. Um, Market goes out yesterday. This show was beautiful, but then there are some stuff, circumstances surrounding this trade. So, for starters, why did this trade fail? Why did this trade fail? The zone we are actually trying to buy from, I would say it is an internal range liquidity, so that as it not really break a major structure. If price has broken out from this zone, you see that um the zone will probably hold more to the upside. But then price just came reacted at this supply level here and retraced back. So this particular move did not actually break much structure. Um Also on the lower time frames, you'll see that okay, it was a good setup. This was an internal break of structure, um, a structural liquidity, and price came to a little breaker block entry, came up to a bit and reacted from the value gap and took us out. So it was a, a loss. Then let's see what today has for us. What does today has for us? So we're starting with five time frame. So what do you have on the daily time frame? I don't know. Is it safe to say that depending on how price closes today, I think it's safe to say that the daily has switched bearish. If price closes below the zone today, then it's safe to say that have we are now bearish. So we probably expect so price is forming a new range from this zone, a new range from this zone. So depending on how price closes today, we will now know how to approach next week. So but for today, we have been probably we should. Okay, so this is a breakout block here, of which price is already reacting from to continue the sell movement if possible. And this is my DCL if that works out too. Um, what do I see here? What do I see? What do I see? What do I see? I don't see much movement because price hasn't really confirmed this range for me. So once price has finished with this new range that it's trying to form, then I will now look out for what market has to get whatever. So that's it for JP25. I have nothing yet on it. Nothing yet. Probably New York session. I should have something. Then in J40, the J40 price reacted from this zone. This was high, then price reacted from this to the upside to this zone here. And price is reacting from that zone. So let me clear out everything. Should I clear out everything? Alright. Um I don't know why I should use the weekly again. No need using the weekly. I think price will have to take out last week's low. I think that should be the aim of price, or price may still not take it out and still do a rejection from this zone. Yeah. But then on the daily, what do I have on the daily? What do I have on the daily? I think the high of the week, the, okay, when is the created high of the week? I think should be. So I'm expecting more bearish price movement, movement to the downside, more bearish price movement, at least to this key level here, or even below, because this is a whole lot of this is a support level with a whole lot of movement, which can also be a form of liquidity. But then I'm expecting more bearish price movement. Um, what do I have here? What do I have here? Okay. Price has done an internal break to the downside here, and I think I'm price activated from that zone also, from that key level there. I don't have an entry for to continue the sell movement yet. Yet, if I had an entry, it should have been from this zone. And if price gives me another continuation movement, I will take it. Okay, I'll take it. I'll take it. I think price is forming another continuation movement for me here, but it's not yet clear. BTC, 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 BTC. I've not this BTC. USD JPY. What do we have on USD JPY? What do we have on USD JPY? 40, 20, 20. So what do I have on USD JPY? On the daily, yesterday came and reacted at this daily fair value gap here. This daily fair value gap here. This daily fair value gap here. And move to the upside. So so I think the fair value gap is holding for now. The fair value gap is holding for now. There's this open close key level here. There's this open close key level here. That is in alignment with a breaker structure, a breaker block, or however you want to call it. So this is a breaker structure to the upside. So on the forward, what do I have on the forward? Yeah, if price is coming down, price should come. I'm expecting a little bearish movement to the downside today to probably engage this key level and continue the movement to the upside. Yeah, so I expect something like this. You see, price is reacting from this breaker, from this key level here, this breaker key level here. So if it's, I'm expecting a short-term movement like this today, to the upside. Yeah, something like this, something like this for UJ. So I think something like this from UJ today. Let's see 2 hours if I can see any more refinement to this. Okay, not much to refine. So I'm expecting something like this today. And probably it's already giving me a lower time frame structure to support this. This should be clean though. This should be clean though. This should be clean though. Okay. Should be clean. I'm seeing a low-key sell. Low-key sell. Low-key sell. Not a financial advice. Not a financial advice. But depending on how this flower candle closes. If our candle closes bearish, like bearish to below this zone, then I'll be looking for a bearish a sell to buy, trade, a sell to buy trade. What do I have on the 1 hour? What do I have on the 1 hour? A sell to buy trade. Yeah, and it's already forming. I think it's already probably a short from here. Is a high risk scenario, but a short from here to the downside won't be bad. Let's just like get 3 hour. We are good. I think this should work out. I'll set an entry here. It's risky, but then, and even as our price is approaching that zone, because this zone here, this zone here, this zone here, it's not really clear yet. But then, let's see. For gold, um, what do I have on gold? Um, what do I have on gold? Gold is bearish to the downside. Price has been continually bearish, even with the tension and China and US stocks and all that. Price has been bearish. Oh my God, what's with this noise this morning? The cat is breaking me. So what do we have? What do we have today? On gold on daily. So we are working around this zone, this range here. Price has been just revolving around this range. Um, excuse me.